Hey guys, been waiting long? Well, Get Ready With Me is finally back. It's seriously heating up outside, right? So today, I've got the perfect summer red makeup look only using mini-sized products that fit right into your pouch. All these minis are super cute, like seriously, collectible level cute. So you have to stick around till the end. And come on, it's summer. Are we really giving up on red? Absolutely not. Let's keep it cool, pretty, and glowing. Summer, we're ready. Let's go. How cute is this? When you open the box, you get a cleanser, a treatment toner, ampoule, and glow serum all packed inside. Honestly, it's the perfect little set to take on a 2 or 3 day trip. I seriously want to try everything in here, but since we've got a whole lineup coming up, I'll just be using the mini cleanser for now. Ta-da! This one's a vegan wash-off mask set, and it comes with 5 different types. Since we just finished cleansing, I'll go ahead and do a quick wash-off mask too. You know what's great? Even with mini items like these, you can multitask by targeting different zones. For my T-zone, I'm using something soothing, and for my U-zone, something super hydrating. So for this one, Vegan Rose Hyaluronic Hydra, I'm gonna be using it all over my cheeks and my jaw. The texture is super thick and not such a heavy scent, which I really look for in products. And it applies super smoothly, so you don't have to worry about a messy application. And next, for my T-zone, I'm gonna be using Vegan Sika Tea Tree Soothing. So this is super hydrating and super soft and gentle on the skin, so it's perfect for any targeted areas that have acne or blackheads, whiteheads, anything like that. And after a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. So I just finished washing off the mask packs, and I can say my favorite thing about these is how easy it is to wash off. It doesn't get stuck in any wrinkles or crevices. It's just super easy and smooth to take off. And if you're not a fan of super scented skincare, then this will be right for you. It's very lightly scented, but just enough to make you feel nice and relaxed. Okay, let's be real. Can we even call this a mini? This set is seriously packed. You can easily use this for a week all by yourself. I brought this kit not just because of the size, but because in hot summer weather, your skin needs soothing. I'll use this kit to refresh my skin and keep it hydrated while we do our base skincare. First up, I'm gonna be using the Wonder Relief Centella Toner, and right off the bat, it says Unscented, my favorite. Purito also has a really good reputation, so I'm very excited to try this. Unscented, perfect. And I'm just gonna put a bit on my cheeks, jaw, and forehead. And it's super fast absorbing, so you just need to tap in a little bit and you're ready for the next step, which is Wonder Relief Centella Serum. Again, unscented. This whole line is unscented, so it's super good for sensitive and kind of irritated skin. So I'm gonna put a few pumps, and it's almost like a gel-like texture. And this is really gonna help me with any dark spots, any unevenness, and redness on my skin. Pat dry, and we're ready for the next step. Look at this. Isn't it the cutest thing ever? This is a mini cream from FRUDIA, and each color has a different function. Since summer tends to dry our skin out, I'm going with the purple one. Blueberry, hydrating. It's perfect for boosting moisture when your skin's feeling thirsty. This packaging is so cute. I feel like it's candy. I want to eat it. And it smells like blueberry. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited to try this. I know I'm a fan of unscented things, but I am a girl, so just gonna put a little bit, and it's quite thick, but as you can see, it's already melted on my hands. And my driest zone on my face is definitely my T-zone. So I'm gonna put a lot of focus on there and then put the excess everywhere else. It smells amazing, I love it. No white sheer left, there's nothing visible on my face, so we're ready to go. time to start the makeup. First up, this tiny, adorable cushion compact for my base. Now, don't let the size fool you. It is packed with SPF 50, PA+++, whitening, wrinkle care, and every hydrating essence. And it's perfect for tossing in your travel pouch. Look how tiny and cute it looks. It looks like it's for a Barbie doll. I love it. I'm gonna open it up. And also, this is also travel sized. So a little goes a long way, just a little bit. And usually I focus on my darker spots, so dark circles, any acne scars, anything like that. I like to focus more on those areas first. And I can see already, even if it's travel sized, it's already giving me so much coverage in just a few little taps. I'm sure you can already see the difference, this side and this side. So I'm gonna finish with the rest of my face. And the cream that we just applied before this is really helping to smooth out the base and make it nice and even all over. And once we're done, all ready to put back in my pouch. Next is super simple, just a few quick strokes for the brows. It's called Stage Brow for a reason. Super long lasting, which makes it a total summer essential. It's a roll-up type, so you can choose just the amount that you need. And I already have pretty dark eyebrows, but I like to shape them a little more neatly and cleanly, so I'm only gonna go into where I really want a little bit more shape. And you don't need to stroke too hard because it's super compact and it comes out just the right amount that you need. So, like I always say, a little goes a long way for a nice natural look. Just keeping the shape and making it a little bit longer. And we're all done. How cute is this eyeshadow duo? Even the name and color are a perfect match. It's called Look at My Eyes Duo Heart Attack. But here's the best part. You get 3 shades in one tiny case. Great for contouring, aegyosad, and even highlighting. So first, I'm gonna use this first tier, and I'm gonna mix these 2 colors, and I'm gonna put it all over my general lid, and it will turn into this beautiful, nice nude color. And it's perfect for a neutral day out. Then, just focusing on this darker shade, I'm gonna go in closer to my waterline just to give almost an eyeliner effect. And for the highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the second tier, and as you can see, super shimmery and super glowy. So just get a few taps, and I'm gonna focus on the bridge of my nose, the inner corners of my eyes, and also the tip of my nose. Just go in, and this will give you such a nice glowy summer look. And it gives you almost like a fairy-like glow, so I super love it. It's super glowy and feminine, so it's one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine. It really makes your eyes pop. You can see the difference. And it's super convenient because it's eyeshadow, contour, and highlighter all in one. What's a summer makeup look without a red pop? I'm using this jelly pot to lay down a soft blush base first. And also, oh, look how cute this is. So if there's no room in your bag, you can literally hang it out because it's a keyring and there's no problem. It's so cute and it's super tiny and portable. I'm gonna go in, and it has a safety cap, and it's a jelly pot, so let's be careful. And it's super red, super pigmented, and it smells like candy. I love it so much. And I'm just gonna go in on the balls of my cheeks to give me a nice little red tint all over my face, give my face a bit of color. And even though it is a jelly pot, the application is super smooth. It doesn't leave any stickiness. And since it's super pigmented, you really don't need that much, which is good because it's mini. So you should make it last. So cute. Now for the main highlight of today's look, LAKA's mini tints. First, I'll apply the MARONI shade as a base and then layer CANDID on top. It's the red of the summer. I'm using it on my lips as the main point and also dabbing a bit over the blush we did earlier for a glowy, coordinated finish. Look how cute these are. They actually almost look like a nail polish, but they are so tiny and cute. They're nice and so watery. It's very light. And then as a point maker, I'm gonna go in with this nice bright red shade to celebrate the summer. Only adding it to the center of my lips. And then I'm also gonna be layering this on top of the blush just to give it a little extra something, a little extra dazzle. I look summer ready. I look so cute. Ta-da! That's how we wrapped up this Get Ready With Me mini summer red makeup look, bursting with red summer vibes. How is it? Don't underestimate mini items just because they're small. They're light to carry around, but still bring the prettiest vibes ever. Even if you're not going on a trip, these are the kind of items I'd love to just have sitting on my vanity like little decor pieces. So, if you have a favorite mini item or saw something today that you totally want to get, or if there's a Get Ready With Me concept you want me to try next, leave tons of comments below. And then, when it comes to showing your love through likes and subscriptions, don't keep it mini. Make it big, please. So let's meet again in the next video with another awesome Get Ready With Me. Bye!